Let's check out the Sanag B21S bone conductive earphones. First, this is what the box of them looks like. Inside the box we get the earphones. Also a bunch of manuals over here and your Type-C charging cable as well. When it comes to the design and build quality, these actually are really decent considering how much these cost. On this side over here we have the controls for them. So we can go to the next song, previous song, also control volume and also pause and resume on these. As you see, also we have like really decent waterproof plug for our charger over here. And also we have microphone on these as well. And when it comes to the weight, these really do not weigh anything at all. So they're mega lightweight. And let's put them on. So it's that easy to actually put them on, and essentially this is what they actually look like on you. And when you wear them, they actually make comfortable, so you can't even really tell that you actually have them on. So really they do not weigh anything at all. So when it comes to comfort, I would give these maybe like 9 out of 10. And the best part about these earphones actually is the price of them. Personally, I got mine from AliExpress, and if you basically follow the special links in the description and also use the extra coupons I'll include, you can get them only for around 20 bucks essentially, which is absolutely insane when you consider the sound quality and technology and also overall build quality on these. So again, if you want to get these for the cheapest price, simply check out the links in the description. Also, this listing actually is from the official manufacturer, so actually you are purchasing directly from them. And if you want to pair them, we can simply turn them on using this button. You see the light will start to flash like this, and then we can go in our phone settings, in the Bluetooth settings, and basically pair with them. So again, they work pretty much with most devices, so Android, iPhone, also PC or any Mac or whatever you have. So I haven't found anything that they actually do not work with, so absolutely awesome. And also the connection strength also is actually like really decent over here. So if we check the specs, I think it said like 10 meters, but I think this is even like basically like longer distance in real life, I think, if you have maybe like clear line of sight. So definitely the range also is actually like really decent on these. Also on these we can get a phone app as well, where we can actually change the EQ settings on them as well, also control them. But again, all the controls actually are really decent on the earphones themselves. So again, this probably is not really even needed. Also you can obviously see your battery life here as well. And what about the actual sound quality and the performance? So obviously, as you see, these are actually bone conductive earphones, and to be honest, these actually are my first pair of bone conductive earphones. So again, this is kind of new technology for me, and before I actually got them, I really had no idea how they would perform or how would they act essentially. So basically the main difference between these and regular earphones or headphones is basically they actually do not transmit the sound via air basically. So they simply like transmit basically the sound directly to your eardrums, essentially using vibrations essentially. So again, as you see, this is what they look like, and essentially when you maybe like take them out of your ears, you can even feel that they vibrate a bit. So again, if you maybe like put it on very high volume, again you can like very noticeable feel that they vibrate like a bit. So again, the sound is simply transmitted basically using vibrations. So, and basically when I actually started first listen to them, I was completely blown away by the performance of these. So I thought that maybe this is a gimmick and it won't work, but actually I'm actually mega impressed by the sound quality on these. And if I had to rate the sound quality, I think these matches easily maybe like $100 like normal earphones. So I'm not really kidding. So the sound quality is so insanely nice on these. When it comes to the sound quality, I think the best part about these is that they provide incredible clarity essentially, and everything feels like very clear and also very crisp. So they feel like mega high-end essentially if you compare to regular earphones. And again, I actually did not expect this. So basically the main benefit I thought of these would be that they simply like do not even go in your ears, and they simply sit basically near your ear, and they do not like put any pressure, so they should be like very comfortable. And also obviously you can also hear everything around you. So again, with normal earphones, obviously outside sounds get muffled and you can't really be present. But again, so when I actually, before I got them, I saw that these two things are probably the main advantage of these. But actually I didn't expect that sound quality will be like completely different when you compare to like normal earphones. So if you're wondering if the sound quality on these is actually any good, yep, I can confirm that these sound absolutely amazing, and definitely way more expensive than they actually are. So again, I think they sound like at least 5 or 6 times better than the price suggests on these. So really it's even like hard to describe basically how they like sound, because obviously the technology is completely different to normal earphones and the way they transmit basically. So yeah, if you haven't tried these type of earphones, I highly suggest to actually try them out, because I think you'll also be very impressed basically how they produce the sound and just how incredibly clear and nice it sounds like. When it comes to negatives for these, I would say microphone definitely could be actually better on these. I guess for basic phone calls they are enough. So you're currently listening actually to the microphones on these. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was picking his peppers in the backyard. So again, I really wish I actually included maybe slightly better microphone in these, because the microphone quality and the sound quality you get from these do not match at all. So the sound quality is like insanely nice, while the microphone quality is pretty low end. When it comes to the battery life for these, I would say it lasts maybe around 10 hours. But again, that will actually depend how basically loud you have your music on. So if you keep it basically lower, maybe it can even last longer. When it comes to charging times, these take a bit 1 hour basically to fully charge. So again, the runtime and battery life definitely also is like really decent on these. And overall, are these Sanag B21S earphones actually worth it, and should you maybe get them? Yep, I can highly suggest them. So before I got them, I really had no idea how they would perform and what the sound quality would be, but after actually getting them, I'm actually like mega impressed with these. So definitely like way better than I actually expected they would be. So when it comes to sound quality, again, these really shouldn't like sound this good at this price point. So definitely if you are looking for extremely good sounding earphones, I think this is probably the best choice. And again, up to like $100, you will really be very hard pressed basically to find like better sounding earphones than these. So again, if you haven't basically tried these type of earphones, I highly suggest basically. So, and also I think this is probably one of the most popular models at the moment, and really no wonder why it's so popular, because it's just so basically nice sounding essentially. And again, if you want to get them for the best price, simply check those special links in the description. Basically I'll include the links where you need to go to get them basically for around 20 bucks essentially. Also check those extra coupons, you also need to use them to bring the price down. For this price, what these cost, they're absolutely insane value for money. Anyway, good luck.